such a clever breed of roses that were redder than the ate up on the bosom of the chicken scarlet letter. I would toss them to the dirt and would appreciate them better. If we toss another blood upon hearing the word, whatever it's his favorite. I know it because he said it enough. We was in it to love, we came out of in love. It's to get from above, it's the curse of the dove. Hard enough and you can follow it to something that's rough and said. I got a knack for linking to the world around me. That's probably why you never trust me when there's girls around me. You know I never left the finger like paralysis. I swear that incident happened as I was out of it. I swear you said what once is always. And at the time when we existed is far away. We're trying to work it out, but patience is one. If you ever get some roses, better check up the doors and say yes, you never saw it that way. All those flowers and all those love songs. Right. Man, you can say how that goes away. Right, put your hands up for this one. Hey. And if I take one more shot, it could be heaven on earth. And if we take one right, we could be on the same path. So I said I was forced another round tonight. So you sit there and think I'm taking you out as only a friend. But let's just let that nigga just pretend. Baby, don't play. You can just relax. I know we don't move on and you forgot about the past. But why though? Why did that nigga hit the line with the girl I used to follow and thought of as supermodel in my mind? But now my spine's out cold and shit. You and me, we were supposed to go old and shit. Wait, hold up, bitch. Shit, I mean, baby, this rapper and shit. Got a nigga going crazy and lately my life is moving fast. I'm living in the past. I don't mean to put your man on black with the black and wait. You and me together would probably be killer. I know you father thinking he would be the better shooter. The way that came along and said it's fine, it's the new side. Told them that we were jumping to the past and not the future, but they find out. I swear the devil's from the work. And if I take one shot, it could be heaven on earth. And if we take one more shot, we could be more than that. So I said that's tonight. Right. And if I take one more shot, I swear the devil's from the work. That's a big sound out there. I ain't seen you smile in a minute. You ain't gotta defend it. I know you say you happy with this guy, but he's every shot right here, so they tell me otherwise. But I'll stop now, putting you in every spot. Now that I got something, I can give you everything I got now. Haven't felt the cold hard hands of a cop in a long time. Can't be the wrong time for love. So DJ, please play the song that we sang was ours in high school. And all that's night school, she thinks I'm crazy. I might be crazy, but you're that one girl that might just take me. And when I'm with you, I'll wait just miss her. And one more shot in, I might go this up. One more shot, I could wear and kiss ya. One more shot for this relationship. But if I take one more shot, I swear it never's gonna work. And if I take one more shot, it could be hell.